Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and we are back again with another wonderful tutorial. It's yes, you have already saw the thumbnail and the title. Yes, we are going to show you how you can avail the Microsoft Xbox subscription for free. It's legal, by the way. So first of all, let me show you. This is my Discord. Here you can't see anything like any quest or anything like Xbox. Yes. Let me it's big screen. Yeah. So it's nothing there. You can see nothing, no quest here. So of course you can add the quest or get the quest from the Discord. Here message and quest. So if it doesn't there, it's okay. So how you can get that? First of all, close the Discord here and off also from the background. Also you need to exit from the background. Let me show you my task manager here. Let type it is here or not. Discord, see already Discord. Okay, so it doesn't it the it also I have exited from the background. Also you can see there is no Discord. So now how you can get that? First of all, you need a VPN, by the way. You can use this hotspot shield VPN Wi-Fi proxy and go to United States. By the way, it's absolutely free. You can download it from Microsoft Store. I'll give you the link in the description below. Also you can use the Proton VPN, but I have also I have the United States version. It's not free. You can use only free version in the hotspot shield VPN. Okay, so let me show you here. Okay, so just here you can see United States. We are going to connect to United States. Okay, it's connected. Now it is connected to United States. Now you need to open the Discord server, by the way. Discord here, Discord, yes. Let's check now it is available or not. Yeah, sorry. I don't know why I'm not finding it here, but yeah, it's here. So it's here. You can see Xbox Game Pass. So you need to start video quest. Okay, just start the video quest. You need to just see the video. So specialty see the video. Cool. Pump like unlimited money and right. So it's finished, guys. Now you can see the claim reward. You can claim the reward here. Let's see. Yes, of course you need to verification that it is you are human or not. Yes, I'm human, by the way. Okay, so reward code hidden. Yes, of course hidden. Just copy. I have copied. We have gained the reward code, by the way. So just minimize it for now. Now you're going to go to this Xbox Game Studio. Here you can see xbox.com.us. Yes, here. And I will of course give you the link in the description below. Just you need to sign in your Microsoft account here. I have already signed in. Again, you're going to here, go to 3 dot here and redeem code here, by the way. So just wait for it. Okay, now it's now.
I'm sorry that I haven't shown you how to move it because it's the videos got accidentally deleted. Then I need to just recreate the video or re-record the video again. So it's that simple. Just go to your Gmail if you have the Xbox game app, or don't have, just download it from Play Store. You can find it from the Play Store and copy the app. And the redeem code is already redeemed. Then you need to go to the Xbox app. Here you can see this is the Xbox app. My mobile is a little bit slow, so be patient, guys. Okay, so here you can see I have already you can see the Sunny in my account. It's premium because I have already redeemed here. You need to pick the premium. Or before that, you need to connect to a US VPN, by the way. If you don't connect it, then it will not work, by the way. So you can use Proton VPN or Hotspot Shield VPN or Bitdefender VPN. I have used that with Bitdefender VPN because I had the Bitdefender premium security. So I have the ultimate version of the Bitdefender VPN. So here after going to the profile and go to the redeem code. So here in the redeem code, you just need to paste your redeem code. I have already redeemed it, that's why the code is already okay.
Let's just so guys, I have already shown you that you have to redeem the code from the mobile. I can't redeem it with my browser. It's because it has something problem. I don't know what's happened. It's error. It's their fault, not mine. So you can redeem the code from the Xbox app or mobile. It's your choice. It doesn't matter. But it will work 100% if you use the app. I haven't used the app from my desktop. It's because I have already an ID. Here you can see I have 1 year my subscription. It is the Ultimate Game Pass, Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. It has 2027, by the way. So that's why I'm not claiming this offer from here. It's because already I am subscribed to Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. So you can, if you have the same with like me, then you can just use the mobile app to activate the Game Pass from another ID. So that's it. So yeah, that's it, guys. That's the video. If you like the video, please like and subscribe my channel. If you have any other problem, please let me know in the comment section. I'll get to you as soon as possible. Until next video, goodbye.